Narrated by Sa'ad, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed zakat amongst a group of people while I was sitting there, but Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam left a man whom I thought the best of the lot. I asked, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why have you left that person? By Allah, I regard him as a faithful believer. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam commented, or merely a Muslim. I remained quiet for a while, but could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him, and then asked Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why have you left so and so? By Allah, he is a faithful believer. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, or merely a Muslim, and I could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Sa'ad, I give to a person while another is dearer to me for fear that he might be thrown on his face in the fire by Allah. That is, Allah's Messenger did not give zakat to that person because he feared that because of the wealth that person might go into wrong things and he might be thrown into the fire by Allah.